It's hard to resist the sweet, bubbly glass of soda. The thing is, if you're regularly drinking soda, those empty calories quickly add up, promoting an unhealthy lifestyle. Besides, there's a reason doctors tell us to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, all the while limiting soda, or better yet, avoiding it altogether. For starters, water has 0 calories, is hydrating, and is simply beneficial. Meanwhile, soda is packed with sugar and calories, yet does nothing for the health. And so, we have a proposition for you. How about replacing soda with water for a week? One benefit of doing this is improving your concentration. Keep watching to discover more. Number 1. You shed a few pounds. Did you know that an average 12-ounce soda boasts about 150 calories, and nearly everything of those is simple sugar? So if you're drinking 2 cans of soda daily for a whole month, that's the same as consuming 5 pounds of sugar and 9,000 calories just from your beverage intake. On the other hand, drinking water is a popular and highly effective method of losing weight. Water has no calories, sugar, or fat. Thus, replacing your sodas with water would boost your metabolism, ultimately resulting in weight loss. Moreover, water is a natural appetite suppressant. In fact, several health studies have found that drinking 2 glasses of water before meals can help people lose more weight. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Number 2, your skin complexion is clearer and healthier overall. Is your skin looking dull? Your frequent soda consumption is likely the culprit. One of the major benefits of swapping your favorite soda with plain water is bright, clear skin. Carbonated beverages damage skin cells and collagen bonds, leading to dryness, dullness, dark spots, wrinkles, and many others. As such, to cancel out these nasty effects, it's recommended to drink an adequate amount of water daily. This aids in flushing out toxins and helps speed up the production of blood and muscle cells, giving you glowing, healthier skin in as short as 1 week. Number 3, you're more dehydrated. Thirsty? Drink water. This should be the way to go for everyone who wants to live a healthier and longer life. Certain sodas contain caffeine, which is a diuretic. This can actually dehydrate you. As a result, the body gets strained in finding sources of water, putting a great deal of stress on the kidneys. Also, over the course of the day, you typically lose 8 cups of water from the body through sweat and urination. Notice how when you're dehydrated, you're more prone to dizziness, headaches, drowsiness, and nausea. Those are possible symptoms of dehydration. So, whenever you feel thirsty, water is always the best choice. Reaching for a soda instead would only dehydrate you even more. In addition to the physical effects of switching to water, there's also a mental benefit to this. Find out what it is next. Number 4, your concentration is better. High consumption of carbonated drinks can lead to dehydration, which then triggers an imbalance in certain brain chemicals. As such, it leads to issues like brain fatigue, insufficient mental clarity, poor memory, and even depression. Switching to water can effectively combat those ill effects. In fact, within just a week of this transition, you can already feel your concentration getting better. This also helps increase your memory power over time. Number 5, your teeth are healthier. Saying goodbye to soda will definitely give you something to smile about because this means no more sugar and acid destroying your tooth enamel. Once you lose your enamel, there's nothing you can do to bring it back. So when you replace all those sodas with water, you can save your teeth from disaster. Also, it pays to note that tap water and special bottled water are especially rich in fluoride, which works to actively strengthen and protect the teeth. Number 7, you have better muscle endurance and flexibility. Calcium is one of the most important minerals for building and maintaining bones. But if you drink large amounts of sodas which contain dissolved carbon dioxide, it can hinder calcium absorption, resulting in weak bones and muscles. However, if you only drink water, it would make a great difference to your muscles. After all, water plays a major part in muscle composition as it helps absorb and retain essential minerals including calcium. Therefore, by keeping yourself hydrated, you aren't just improving your muscle endurance, but also your flexibility. Bad hair days? Try drinking more water and strictly no to sodas. You'd be surprised with how it would help. More details about this are here. Number 7, your hair looks healthier. A negative effect of excess consumption of fizzy beverages that is often overlooked by many is hair loss. Because sodas make it hard to create essential hormones necessary for hair growth, it isn't a surprise how this leads to stunted hair that's flaky and brittle. Fortunately, you can promote healthy hair by drinking water. Water helps in deeply nourishing the hair roots as well as hydrating the scalp. Furthermore, drinking plenty of water helps eliminate dandruff and itchy scalp, promoting a conducive environment for hair growth and giving you healthy, gleaming hair. Number 8, you have more energy. Sugary and carbonated drinks are a leading cause of lethargy and chronic fatigue. To fix this problem, you simply need to replace all those drinks with water and you'll be brimming with energy in no time. Also, being hydrated is essential in maintaining a bright and sunny mood. And the more energized you are, the more productive you'll be. Why soda should be treated as a treat more than a staple. Soda has long been in the top place in many people's diets across the globe. From mixed drinks to ice cream floats, there's always a soda mixed in them. In fact, depending on your location, it may be easier to get a bottle of soda than a bottle of water. According to research, 49% of adults in the United States consume at least one sugary drink, say lemonade or soda, every day. In addition, 63% of youngsters consume at least one beverage with added sugar every day. Despite its massive availability, soda is definitely not a healthy drink. Too much of it can lead to various negative effects on the body. Not only are sodas devoid of any beneficial nutrients, but they also contribute to excessive calorie intake and sugar. Thus, it's time to step away from this sugary drink once and for all. And to start, consider going for a week without soda and drinking water instead, and you'll feel the remarkable effects on your body. Still need a bit more convincing to stop drinking soda regularly? The next few points would exactly do that. Up next are the top reasons you should avoid drinking soda. Top reasons to stop regularly drinking soda. Dehydration. Some sodas are highly packed with caffeine, which can then cause dehydration. As a natural diuretic, caffeine causes the body to excrete fluid through urine, forcing you to take bathroom breaks frequently. As such, it's best to not consume them when exercising or if you're in a hot climate, because you're more likely to experience dehydration symptoms like thirst and fatigue. Weight gain. If soda is your sole beverage of choice, then you're likely at risk of weight gain. Taking an additional 3,500 calories translates to 1 pound of weight gain. For instance, if you're drinking 5 100-calorie sodas a day, that already amounts to 500 calories, meaning you'll be putting on 1 pound in a week. Tooth decay. Drinking soda is a common contributor to tooth decay and dental cavities. Given all the sugar in it, it's no wonder this is the case. The sugar stays coated on the teeth, gums, and tongue for hours after drinking a soda. Consequently, it breaks down the tooth enamel, making them vulnerable to rotting. When drinking soda, consider using a straw so the liquid goes right into the back of the mouth and is less likely to corrode the teeth. Other health concerns. Besides affecting your weight, the sugar in soda can also affect certain aspects of your health. First off, since soda contains simple sugar which absorbs very quickly, drinking this beverage causes a blood sugar spike. Because the body isn't predisposed to deal with a spike, it overcompensates by releasing hormones to plunge your blood sugar low. Such spikes and crashes can bring about several feelings of tiredness, irritability, and hunger. To make the transition easier, jazz up your water. One easy way to do that is to flavor it with lemon. Now, what does drinking lemon water entail then? Click here to learn how drinking lemon water daily can benefit your body.